Hearing health, brain clarity, and long-term wellness. What if the changes you've noticed in your hearing aren't just about sound, but about how clearly your brain functions every day? What if difficulty following conversations, mental fog, or constant fatigue weren't simply signs of aging or stress? What if the real story behind hearing health begins deep within the delicate systems that connect your ears and your brain? In recent years, scientists at leading research institutions, including universities such as Harvard, have increasingly explored the connection between hearing health, brain function, and overall cognitive wellness. Today on Wellness Life, we're going to explore how hearing works, why it plays a much larger role in daily life than most people realize, and why emerging science suggests that supporting auditory and neurological health early may help preserve clarity, focus, and quality of life. Modern life places unprecedented demands on our senses. We are surrounded by constant noise traffic, headphones, digital alerts, and environmental stress, often combined with poor sleep, high mental load, and limited recovery time. Difficulty understanding speech, especially in noisy environments, trouble concentrating, feeling mentally drained by the end of the day. They blame stress. The inner ear is one of the most delicate systems in the human body. It relies on, unlike many other tissues, the sensory cells involved in hearing do not regenerate easily. This is why hearing health is now being studied not just as a sensory issue, but as a key factor in cognitive processing. Research in neuroscience has shown that the brain works harder to interpret sound when auditory signals are weakened, placing additional strain on memory and focus. In other words, hearing challenges may affect far more than sound alone. Scientists studying brain health have observed that hearing and cognition are deeply interconnected. Clear auditory input supports efficient brain signaling. When this system is disrupted due to reduced circulation, oxidative stress, or nerve strain, the entire communication loop may suffer. This understanding has shifted scientific interest toward prevention and early support, rather than waiting for significant decline. The good news is that research is evolving. Instead of focusing only on devices or late-stage interventions, scientists are now exploring supportive strategies aimed at protecting hearing and neurological function from within. There is growing interest in natural compounds and nutritional approaches that may help support healthy blood flow. These approaches are not intended to replace medical care, but to complement a healthy lifestyle by working alongside the body's natural maintenance systems. One important insight from modern wellness research is this: long-term health rarely comes from extreme or sudden solutions. Lifestyle habits such as balanced nutrition, regular movement, stress management, and quality sleep all play a role in maintaining healthy auditory and cognitive function. Some individuals also choose to include nutritional support as part of a broader wellness routine focused on prevention rather than reaction. These approaches work gradually, not overnight. Many people report subtle improvements in clarity and comfort over time, especially when supportive habits are maintained consistently. Understanding hearing health is about more than avoiding loss. It's about preserving connection. The earlier these systems are supported, the more options people may preserve as they age. At Wellness Life, our mission is to help you understand your body before problems become limitations. We explore science-backed wellness topics so you can make informed decisions and care for your health one day at a time. If you want to continue learning about, this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your health routine or using nutritional supplements.